Chanjo ne tuo mar jamni ne tuo mano mar athany ka achiel kod tuo mar aput saito koro osechakore kaunti mano ma Siaya. Migawo mano mabende ochung'ne jamni okwayo jopith mar mondo mi one ni jamni duto te ochanji kane giloso sach nyasi mano mar chanjo jamni e Majengo Primary. Ne gikoni maino mar chiwo chanjo makamane jamni en mano mar neno ni ngima jamni go riti kendo jopith bende obiro yudo chiro mano winjore e yono makare.
So today what we had been doing under this program, we have farmers bringing in their animals for vaccination against foot and mouth disease. Because the challenges that farmers have, among other diseases, foot and mouth disease is one of the critical diseases affecting livestock farmers. And also in terms of cost, it also makes the cost of livestock production high. So this program targets vaccination against foot and mouth disease. The government subsidizes the cost of the vaccination. Farmers are supposed to pay 50 shillings, and the government, through the county government and also NAFCDP, pays 110 shillings for the farmer. So in total, the cost of vaccination is 160, but the farmer only pays 50 shillings.
So far, we have managed in Bondo to vaccinate over 5,000 animals, but our expectation is supposed to be 10,000. So we are still expecting to do much in terms of vaccination so that we have a good coverage of foot and mouth disease vaccination.
Dr. Otieno Wino, the County Director in charge of livestock production and veterinary services. The main reason is try to control or eliminate foot and mouth disease in this country. Not only our county, but this vaccination is happening all over Kenya. We hope if we can vaccinate 70% of the animals, we will be able to contain this disease.